it comes to protecting your investment, your home deserves more than a quick rinse. It deserves care and precision. At Royal Tide Property Wash, we set the royal standard for exterior cleaning across Sarasota and Manatee County. From roof cleaning and house washing to driveways, pool decks, and paver sealing, our team delivers safe, reliable, and long-lasting results for every property. Using our professional soft wash system, we clean smarter, not harder. See the results for yourself. We don't cut corners and we never walk on your roof. Whether you're dealing with HOA roof notices or simply want your home to look brand new again, you can trust Royal Tide for a clean that lasts. Serving Sarasota County, Manatee County, and surrounding areas, we're proud to protect Florida homes with quality and care. Call 941-259-1469 or visit royaltidewash.com.